Did you know the oldest named author in all of human history was a woman in the middle of a violent coup? Her name was Zen-Hedwana. She lived around 2285 BC in ancient Mesopotamia, the daughter of Sargon of Akkad, the man who built the world's first empire. Sargon appointed her high priestess of the moon god's temple in the city of Ur. It was one of the most powerful religious positions in the ancient world. Then a rebellion broke out. Armed men seized control and threw her out of the temple. She was stripped of everything, so she did something no one had ever done before. She wrote about it. She put her name on it. In her hymn to the goddess Inanna, she described the terror, the humiliation, and her desperate cry for justice. It is the oldest signed literary work ever found. She was eventually restored to her position and kept writing. 4,000 years later, her name survived. The names of the men who overthrew her did not.